Hey guys, it's Angie. Today is Sunday, so I just wanted to give you a quick roundup of what I sold this weekend on eBay and see how everyone's weekend has been going so far. Sorry, my puppy, hi Ollie, is laying on my desk, so I'm trying to get him to stop wanting me to pet him the whole time. Okay, so let me show you what I sold this weekend. Let me go here. Slow weekend. I had $339.89 in sales since Friday. That's okay. Like I said, I am a part-time seller. I have a full-time job, and this week I was pretty busy with work, so I didn't have a ton of time to be listing. So if you're not listing, you're not selling usually. So I have listed quite a bit this weekend, and hopefully that will pick up some sales this week. So let's see what it is I sold. The first item I sold was this Earthbound. It was a brand new with tags dress. I picked this up at, I think at a yard sale. Pretty sure. It's been a while since I've had this, so, but I know that I paid $1 for it, so it definitely wasn't from the bins. The next item that I sold was, oh, in any case, I took a best offer of $15 plus the buyer paid $6.50 shipping. And there's Ollie. Hi, Oliver. Okay, the next item that I sold was this RCA Vcr. It's a player and recorder. I've had it only on there for probably 2 weeks. I had several offers, but I didn't take them. It ended up selling for full price $59.95. I'm paying for shipping, which is fine. It's not going to be too much because I think it's still on East Coast. I purchased this from the Goodwill bins and I paid $3 for it. This is a plus size swimsuit, size 22 women's. Kona Sole is sold at Target. This was new without tags. I bought a lot of swimsuits, I guess last year. I bought like 250, and then I bought another lot of 200 for about $1 a piece. And honestly, I still have an entire tote full that I haven't listed, but this is one of them that I did list, and it sold for full price $17.95 plus shipping. This guy is one of those Annalee. If you're a follower here, you know that I said the Annalee plush are bolos. I just listed him the other day for $34.95. He has this adorable little elf, let me see, that moves around by day as you go through the advent calendar, and took only like 3 days, and he sold for a full price $34.95. So I was happy about that. And by the way, I bought 13 of these Annalee pieces, paid $10, so this tripled my money already just with this one item. Under Armour bras. I actually just picked up a giant bag full of bras from the bins, probably 50 bras that I paid $12 or $14 for. This one also I picked up from the bins, Under Armour. So I probably have 40 cents, 30 cents into it. It sold for the full price $14.95 plus $3.25 shipping. This Slim Shaper panties. I did sell this weekend for $8.95 plus $3.25 shipping. It's obviously vintage. It's a Sears Slim Shape. But the reason I bring this, I wanted to highlight this item is because I sell a lot of shapewear, and when I went to list something today that was pre-owned, it was a full body shapewear, even said that I can't list it. It's only new without tags and new with defects. So I guess they have made the change. I understand, use panties or whatever, but a full body shaper, they said I can't, there was no option for used anymore. So if you're looking for body shapers, just be aware of that. I don't know if that was just a defect this weekend or if they've made a change as of this quarter. I would assume it's a change and you can no longer sell those used. So this Chipmunk Halloween costume was actually from the bins. It weighed under 2 pounds. I paid about $3 for it. I put it on there last week and I got so many offers, $8, $10, $12. I'm like, Come on, it's adorable and it's brand new with tags. And finally this weekend it did sell for the full asking price, which was only $19.95, and then they paid $8.50 shipping. This is another cute little dress. I don't usually sell children's clothes at all, but they were at the dollar sale that I go to here locally, and I picked up a couple, several of these in different sizes, and then this sold for $18.95 including shipping. Shipping only be about $3.25. And a plush. Everyone knows I love to sell plush. This is a Kohl's Care elephant. I actually had 2 of these, and so he sold $9.95 plus $4.95 shipping. But to be honest, I'm probably going to lose a little bit in that shipping just because he is a little heavier. He won't be over a pound, but it'll still be 5 something, and I only charge $4.95. No big deal. Happy to do that. Okay, this is something I got from Dirt Cheap. I love to go to Dirt Cheap when they have their dollar sales. I really try to pick through them. This was there, so I got it for $1, and they sold for full price $19.95. Paying the shipping will be $7.70 in a padded flat rate, so I'm still happy with that return on investment. These were so cute. Love the little pattern. It's almost like they're like a crochet on the outside, and they're like multicolored. They're Corso Como ballet flats, and they're blue. Ollie, you have to get off the keyboard. Okay, they're blue and pink and multicolored. I've had them listed for probably a month, and they sold for the full asking price $15.95 plus $8.95 shipping. And another pair of Dirt Cheap pants that I picked up. These are Goodfellow straight jeans. So I paid $1 for them, and they sold for $16.95, and they paid $8.50 for shipping. And then finally, I sold these new tag J. Crew Matchstick corduroy pants. I pick these up at a consignment store when they have this clear the rack sale. It's like 10 items for $15. So I paid $1.50 for these. I bought several pairs of them, even though they were super small size 27. They did sell for best offer of $15, and they paid $5.95 shipping, and they're under a pound. So I'm super happy with that. Okay, that is it for this weekend. I sold things during the week too, but this is just the things that I have to ship out. Normally I ship out earlier in the day, but I didn't today because there actually is no shipping tomorrow on Monday because of the holiday. But I will get all of these out, and I guess that's all today. How was everyone else's sales? I know I watched the Bin Pickers video, and they said their sales were slow, but then I watched someone else who said amazing sales, the best they've ever had. So I'm not having the best, most amazing sales for sure, but I think everyone is different, and it really just depends on what you sell. I sold a lot of clothes this weekend, which is unusual. That it was more clothes than hard goods, because I seem to usually sell more hard goods, but I think it's a toss-up. I think coronavirus and 2020 is messing everything up for everyone. So we'll just see how quarter 4 takes us. Just a reminder, don't forget that shipping will be going up here in about a week. 40 cents, I think, for priority mail. So just make sure you're accounting for that when you're doing new listings, because you're going to have an additional cost in every single item that you send out, which is a bummer, but I guess we should expect it. So now we're getting more than once a year increases in priority mail costs, which stink, but that's the cost of doing business, I guess. All right, well, if you are new here and you enjoy this content, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And you can subscribe down here and hit the bell notification to let you know when I go live. Tomorrow I'm going to do a haul and just show you some items, mostly hard goods that I picked up over the last week or so, just to let you know what I'm selling on eBay, and maybe it'll help you find some new and interesting items. All right, from me and Ollie, say hi. Everyone have a great day. Enjoy your holiday if you are off tomorrow. My daughter works at a bank, and so she's super happy to have the day off. All right, bye.